many people have failed too many times at losing weight. What is the secret ingredient beyond calorie reduction and a change in diet? It's really simple as it gets. The secret to losing weight is stay active. If you want to lose weight, the best way is to increase your metabolism. Diet is not enough, starvation is fairly inefficient too. The body then goes into conservation mode which minimizes fat loss. What usually follow is being eating out of desperate hunger. The additional calories are then converted into even more fat. Not recommended. This is why the majority of diet fail and this sports a massive industry. The formula is simple. When we eat is our energy intake. What we consume for maintaining life, digestion and all metabolic functions is referred to as metabolism. Energy in various energy consumed is the net result. That is what we currently look like. Calories are how we measure the energy in the food we eat and the energy our body uses. The recommended calories per day for a normal healthy adult are 2000 calories for women and 2500 calories for men. Everything requires energy. Even simply maintaining your posture burns calories. The body is constantly burning the energy produced by respiration to maintain life and all the associated metabolic processes. The average person requires 20% of their energy for brain functions, and the rest is mostly used to maintain the metabolism of the muscles, organs, and tissues. The best way to burn more calories is to build muscles through resistance training. For each pound of muscle that you gain, you burn approximately 50 to 70 calories in addition per day. That's fantastic motivation to start a workout program. With that in mind, here are some tips to keep fit, lean, and motivated. So, first is lose the weight mentality. It won't serve you well for the long run. This is all about eating well for life. It's critical that you like what's on your plate. Small frequent meals may be best to keep energy level up. Protein is important at meals and snacks. It provides a longer lasting sense of fullness. Breakfast is big. Make it meaningful, one that contains some protein like an egg, peanut butter or almond butter, yogurt, nuts, whole grains like whole wheat bread or English muffin, whole grain carol, fruit, low fat or fat free milk, or other calcium rich food. Step away from stereotypes of caveman eating. Learn what you can about your food. What is in it? How to make tasty, healthy food dishes, and what good food can do for your body. Learn from a registered dietitian how much food is enough for you and how much is too much. Avoid distracted eating. Eating while working, searching the computer, or finding with your phone means part of your brain does not experience the act of eating. That may affect your memory of eating and mean less satisfaction from your meal. You are likely to eat more food to feel full. Know your stressor and how you respond to them. Switch up this response. Men are known to respond to stress much like some women do. In other words, eating or not eating for emotional reasons. Fold in some fat, but make it better fats. Yes, fat is rich in calories, but research suggests that moderate amount of healthy fats may be just what you need to keep your weight and health in tip-top shape. So another tip is banish sugar. One sure way to slow down your fat loss is to overdo the sugar. Sugar spikes insulin production, which can lead to fat storage and blunt your body's ability to use fat for fuel. One common mistake many people make is eating excessive amount of fruit to replace their otherwise unhealthy snack options and sugar carvings. While fresh fruit is healthier option than say chocolate chip cookies, many fruits still contain plenty of sugar. Consuming too many calories even if they are from healthy sugars can still lead to weight gain. So limit your fruit intake to 1 to 2 servings per day, only eating them while 2 hours of a workout. This helps ensure those carbohydrates get used as fuel or to replenish her instead of being shuttled away and stored as fat. Remember that not all fruits created equal. There is only 5.4 grams of sugar in 1 cup of raspberries, but there is 23.4 grams of sugar in 1 cup of grapes. Your choice of fruits really makes a difference in your total sugar consumption for the day. Now next tip is use an all natural fat burner to add a little extra burn on top of your clean diet and hard work. By using a fat burner which contain well-researched thermogenic ingredients like green tea extract and caffeine, you can increase your body overall fat burning potential, allowing your hard work and constant effort to reap bigger benefits. Fat burners certainly won't do the work for you, but they can help to maximize your results. Now, next tip is move. Keep moving as much as you can, wherever you can. Some ideas are take the stairs instead of elevator, speed walk instead of ambling along chatting on your phone. Now next tip is taking your cardio outside. Swimming is the one of the best forms of cardio. It's friendly on your joints and keep you cool. While you can build a great workout by swimming laps or intervals of 25 to 50 yards for a set of amount of time. 15 minutes is a good place to start. You don't necessarily have to. You can swim laps or just gather your friends and have a pool party with some games. Not a huge fan of pool. There are plenty of warm summer activities that torch calories quickly. So start thinking outside of the box. You can hike, bike, and rock climb to name just a few. Now, next tip is increase your water intake. Water has no fat, calories, sugar, or carbs and will curb your thirst and appetite naturally much more effectively than any other beverage. Water helps rid the body of waste by binding of fiber and cleansing your intestinal wall. Statistics reveals that individuals who drink more than 5 to 6 glasses of water a day are 40% less likely to suffer from a heart-related death. Now next tip is get plenty of sleep. Sleep is a necessary aspect of life and is essential to our health. It is recommended that we get 8 hours of sleep every night. Sleep helps the brain to commit new information to memory. Chronic sleep deprivation may cause weight gain by affecting the way our bodies process and store carbohydrates and by altering levels of hormones that affect our appetite. Sleep loss may cause irritability, impatience, inability to concentrate, and moodiness. Little sleep can also leave you too tired to do things you like to do. Sleep deprivation alters immune function, including the activity of the body killer cells. As with any new program, to ensure success, it is important to be consistent in your diet and workout routine. Before you know it, you will see that your efforts are paying off every time you look in the mirror. So, today I will tell you how to make money by just playing games. Yeah, by playing games. Did you ever wish for something like this to happen? You can keep on playing hours and hours, but this time you would be get paid. There are so many companies further and tell you about the best ways to make money online. Now, first way is blogging. Blogging is the best way to make money online. But if you jump in the blogging arena just to make money, then it will be a time waste. It is because blogging is a profession. You need many important skills to do well in blogging. Some of the skills include writing skill, SEO, web designing and some other skills. I will give you an example.